everyone, this learning target is I can graph the solutions to one variable inequalities. So remember, in inequality, usually we would have like x equals 2. An inequality means that the two sides are not equal. So these are the symbols that we would use. So I know that this one means less than because it looks like an L. So this one means that maybe x would be less than 2. And then this one is the opposite way. It's going to be greater than. And then the only difference with these ones is when it has a line underneath, it means less than or equal to. So if I had this symbol, it would mean that x is less than or equal to 2. So x could be 2, it could be 1, it could be 1.5, anything that's equal to 2 or smaller. So this symbol would be less than or equal to. And then the same thing over here, it's going to be greater than or equal to. Oh, sorry, or equal to. Okay, so then down here when I'm graphing these equations or these inequalities, the reason they're called one variable is because there's one variable. So this is saying x is greater than 3. So that means I'm going to put my boundary point at 3. So I put an open dot. Remember, it's open because it doesn't have the line underneath. It's not or equal to. And then if I was to put in a number here, I need to pick a number that's going to be bigger than 3 to make this true. So like 4 is greater than 3. That works. So I'm going to put my little test point at 4 here, and I know that my arrow is going to go off to the right. So that shows that x is anything bigger than 3, not including 3. Okay, so for this one, we have -2 is less than or equal to x. So -2 is my boundary point. Let me change colors. I'll put it down here. So I'm at -2, and I'm going to fill it in because it's or equal to, so x can be -2. And I need to pick a number that's going to make this true. I need a number bigger than -2, so that could be -1, 0, any positive number. So -2 is less than or equal to 1, let's say. So I put my test point at 1, so then I know that my arrow is going to go this way. And remember, this one's closed or filled in because it has the line underneath, and then 1 was not, it was open or not filled in because it didn't have that line underneath.